Hello class 5, welcome back once again. Today I am beginning a new chapter. In the last class we have finished chapter 4, that is the equatorial region, the Congo Basin. Today we begin a new chapter, that is the Greenland, the land of snow and ice. Before we begin this chapter, once again I would like to draw your attention here in this diagram. We are very much familiar with this diagram. In the previous class also, I have drawn this diagram, and today as well, let us revise a little bit regarding this diagram. And this diagram is also relevant to this particular topic. The topic is the Greenland, the land of snow and ice. Let us now look at this, study this diagram once again. I have written here frigid zone. Okay, north, frigid zone, south, which means frigid means freezing place, cold place. Okay, cold place. Today we are talking about cold place. In the last class we talked about hot place, equatorial region. In this place we talked about in the previous class, and today we talk about a cold place, that is in this region. Therefore we call it the frigid zone. Frigid zone north, and this is frigid zone south. We know what is this line? This is Arctic Circle. Okay, what is this line? This is Antarctic Circle. This is north, this is south. What is this line? Tropic of Cancer, north. What is this line? 23 degree. This is Tropic of Capricorn in southern degree, on the southern side. Okay, southern hemisphere and northern hemisphere. And what is this? This is equator, which divides Earth or the globe into two equal halves. Alright, we know everything. Okay, now today we talk about the frigid zone. Okay, and the best example we talk in order to study about this region is the Greenland. Like last time in the equatorial region, we took the example of the Congo Basin. Okay, the country which lies in the heart of Africa. Now for today, we are taking the Greenland. Okay, in order to study this region, the polar region or the frigid zone. What kind of weather, what kind of people, what kind of climate they have, what kind of animals they have. Okay, in order to study, we have taken the example today, Greenland. Okay, Greenland, the land of snow and ice. Okay, I have written one sentence here to define what is frigid zones. Okay, what is this zones? Follow me. The regions between the poles and the Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circles are called the frigid zones. This is Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle. Okay, the regions between this and this, North Pole and South Pole, and this side and this side, these regions are called frigid zones. South, frigid zone, north. Okay, and we have taken the example of the country called the Greenland. Okay, now number one, the land and the location of Greenland. What kind of where this Greenland falls, we will talk about this land and its location. First of all, the location is Arctic Circle north. Okay, it lies here. This country lies here, somewhere here. May not be there exactly here, but somewhere here. Okay, which means northern pole extremely in the northern side. Okay, Arctic Circle northern side. Okay, this country falls here. Okay, like earlier we talked about the Congo Basin, it falls somewhere here in the equatorial region, but this country falls here in the northern pole. And another name of the country I have written here, the Denmark. Why have I written Denmark and 1981 here? Because Greenland was once upon a time, it was under Denmark, like India was under British, no? Like that, Greenland also was under Denmark, a colonial country. Okay, so because of that, in 1981, okay, Greenland got separated from Denmark. So therefore, I have written the Denmark also, and the date and the year also, so that you would know that Greenland was under Denmark, but in 1981 this Greenland separated themselves from Denmark, okay, got independent, so to say, okay. And this Greenland was discovered by a person called Erik the Red, okay, R-E-D, Red, okay, Erik the Red, okay. This was the person who discovered Greenland, okay. And more information you read from your textbook, okay. We'll go to the another topic, that's climate. Alright, before we go to this topic, kindly remember the capital city of this particular country, Gotha. Gotha, now Nuuk. Nuuk is a new name of their capital city, and the old name of their capital city is Gotha, okay, and the new name is Nuuk. N-U-U-K, Nuuk. Alright, okay. Now climate. What kind of climate do they have? Climate, certainly, since they have got plenty of ice and plenty of snowfall, so therefore they should have very, very cold weather, cold climate there. Alright, so therefore because of this plenty of snowfall and because of ice, they have very, very short summer season, and they have got a very long and cold and harsh winter season, okay. Another feature of this country is, I have written here, the land of the midnight sun. Peculiar feature is, in this country, even 12 o'clock night you will have a sunshine. Very unique, no? So this Greenland they have. So therefore, this country is also called the land of the midnight sun. If someone asks you, what is land of the midnight sun, or which country is called as the land of the midnight sun, you have to answer Greenland, okay, land of the midnight sun, okay. So this country is very cold, okay, which lies here. So therefore 80% of the land is covered by snow, which means everywhere you will get snow and snow and snow. Very cold, okay. So therefore another word you will remember here in this topic is icebergs. Iceberg. Ice but solid, stone. Okay, very strong. So I have written here the definition also. Large masses of ice. Okay, iceberg is large masses of ice. So plenty of icebergs also you will get there. So therefore, even if they have got a ocean, okay, they will not be able to freely use steamers or ships and all, because it is very, very dangerous for the ships and boats and all, no, because if they happen to hit the iceberg, then the ships will get damaged and they will have accident, okay. So alright, so that is regarding climate. Now last topic we will discuss regarding wildlife. What is wildlife, okay, animals and all. What kind of animals and all you will get in this polar region, which means cold places? Animals with thick furry coats. Furry, this the skin and the fur which they have, animals, no? Animals you get in this place, they will have very thick and very heavy fur, no? Sheep, you have seen sheep, no? Sheep in the hot places you will not get sheep, because by nature the sheep will have very, very thick fur, no? Very thick fur, and it is very, they will not be able to survive in the hot places, hot climate, regions. So therefore those kind of animals you will get plenty in this place. I have written few examples. Polar bear. You must have watched geography channels, and you will see polar bear. Reindeer, deer but with a lot of thick fur. And snow hare. Hare means rabbit, snow rabbit. Okay, snow rabbit also, different kind of snow rabbit there, with a lot of fur. Okay, and musk ox. All the animals which have the long fur and all, you will get in this particular region. All right, and the special, dog-like animal we get here is huskies. Huskies. Wolf-like dog. Children, we have discussed about land and climate and wildlife regarding this country on this country, the Greenland, okay, and where we will get a lot of snow and ice, okay, and we are familiar with this diagram, 63 degree, 23 degree, 0 degree, okay, southern pole and northern pole, southern hemisphere and northern hemisphere, frigid zone, okay, we are talking about. So children, we have learned so many things, okay, do not get bored. When you watch this, video, do not get bored, okay, this is your class. Learning is difficult, it's not easy. Alright. If learning would have been easy, studying would have been easy, everyone would have been studying very nicely, Everyone is not studying very well. Why? Because learning is difficult. Therefore, but you do difficult things, and when you succeed, and the happiness that you gain out of this, nothing can be compared with. Okay, nothing can replace your happiness that you gain from your hardship of life. Okay, so therefore, attend your with a lot of interest and with your willingness, so that you will learn more and more, even in this kind of classes online. So, okay, take care, love you, and God bless you.